In this video, I want to show you how to force a restart on your iPhone 16e in case the screen is frozen or if you cannot restart it any other ways. Simply press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the Apple logo appears right in the middle of the screen. So let me demonstrate. Everything needs to be done quickly, by the way. Don't take your time to press these buttons. So volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Okay, right now I'm pressing it. I'm not releasing it. Keep press. Even if you see this on the screen, just stay like that. Wait a bit more. The screen is dark. Okay, the Apple logo came. I can release the power button. And now all you have to do is to put it down and just wait. I mean, you don't have to put it down, but don't touch any buttons. And it will come back alive in around, I would say, 20 to 25 seconds. Here we go. We are over here. You can open it, enter the password, and you will be able to use your iPhone 16e again. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, tell me it worked, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.